The little house. You can stay there to get warm. ¿Cómo se dice caliente? Warm. To get warm. Yep.
Bullshit. It's not.
Well, we are here making Mr. George some money, extra money. That's the pipe right there. That's the sewer line and the water line next to. Tenemos, ¿ah? Tenemos el heated blue. ¿Por qué, bro?
Se puede.
Se puede.
En esta vida.
You can do it. You can do it.
La que dijiste fue la de la.
I don't like it. That's the sewer pipe right there. And the water is next to the sewer pipe. We have to connect there and right there. So now we have a problem. We have no fish. And Marcos is not happy now. Jeffrey is hitting the dark right there. This is not good. This is not good. This not make me happy. But we have no fish over there. So that's the problem right now. We're trying to fix this pipe, but we have no fish there. So we gotta dig more back there. We are freezing. My friends are freezing too. Here we are. Marcos is not happy. Whoa, Marcos, careful. See? And we gotta go more back there, right there. So this is not good. Not good, not funny. Whoa. Careful, man. This guy is putting his foot in the heat. Now. What? You're trying to find a food? What kind of food? Anything. Where's the water? Water's right here. What's the water right there?
I'm gonna find it here too. Look. You gotta make sure for the water.
Oh, before cut the pipe.
Yeah.
You gotta make
before
sure it's there.
pipe, yeah. Because if you put the pipe, this is what you call. You're gonna be fucked.
What?
You're very fucked, but if you cut the pipe, the water pipe,
Yeah.
you're gonna be like more fucked, bro. It's gonna be a mess.
Water everywhere.